Namaste. Thank you. Thank you for coming back again. So this is week 5, and because now we're in the middle of a 10-week knee strengthening exercises or knee pain relief exercises, this week we are giving legs a rest. So we're going to do lots of massage and lots of rest. So what I want to do is, for exercise, go to the week 4 video and do those exercises in the morning. And then at night time, when you finish your work, when you finish with all the things, just come and spend another few minutes to looking after and doing massage and sleeping well, feeling relaxed, feeling comfortable. Okay, so what we need for this week, we need a chair, need a knife, like a butter knife with the sort of a rounded head there. And also we need some oil or coconut oil, any massage oil be alright. I'm using almond oil, but whatever you have available. You can even use a cream. You just need a little lubrication around muscles and leg. Okay, so let's get a towel, a knife, and oil, and a chair. So get these things ready. And also we need exposure on the skin so we can touch and feel. So these all videos are learning by doing. Okay, so not just sitting and watching and listening to me. You're spending time with me, and that's what I am showing you here. And also we're using our hands, okay? Lots of hands on. So I want you to expose your skin and get ready. Okay, so I'm going to put this chair so that you can see me when I'm doing this. So making everything comfortable. You don't have to bend down. You can just place your leg up on a chair and just bend the leg. Now let's just expose the whole leg here and get some oil. Not some, lots of oil. And just rub on your hands. And let's just start applying that oil onto your leg. You can bend your leg further, going down to your ankle. So we're starting with the ankle, and as I teach you the first week, sort of use your hands very softly. You know, this is the best tool, massaging tool in the world. So think like you're pampering or massaging your own baby. Good. Okay, so what we're going to do is first going onto the calf and like just going upward movement here. Good. Very slowly, just feel like your hands are like are using like a cups. And now focus on breathing in, breathing out. I know if you in a pain you get tense, okay? So we sort of hold too much tension, and that's the whole focus of doing a massage is releasing that tension, that pain. Okay, so just up onto the shin now, and this is again upward. Good. And if you need a little more oil, you can use a little more oil. Good. And look, I'm not, I never rush. I don't see the time on the video, how much time I'm spending. Because see, when I'm teaching or when I'm doing here, I am doing and looking after myself. And that's the same I want from you too. So feel we're using these fingers and a sort of pressing a little, and a sort of using and stretching or massaging this outside of the leg here. Good. Okay. Now another thing I want, with the other side of your hand, I want you to use that inside, that sort of part of your shin there. Okay. So still using both. Just feel like you're sort of squeezing a little bit and going upward. You might feel like a little tenderness outside or inside, but just keep massaging, releasing that tightness. Beautiful. Okay, you can squeeze harder because this is the part where there's no joint there, so it's really good. So go down again, out, side, and top. Okay, so first down, and few now on the side, and let's go few up on the top. Good. Okay, so few on the top now, few on the side, and few on the bottom. Okay, few on the bottom, few on the side, few on the top. Okay, just do 2 more times. Side and down. Good. Now just feel like it's just like a one movement. Side, up, top, and back. Good. So just sort of drawing that blood flow towards a knee joint. So it started getting more blood flow into the knee and blood flow up towards your heart. Good. Okay, so now I want you to use your fingertips. We were going to do the other side as well, using the fingertips and just doing a little circular movement here. Good. Now this is a part where there's not much muscles or not much fat there. You will feel a bone, but it's all completely safe. Good. Start with a smaller circle and I start growing that circle bigger. Just breathing in, breathing out, feeling good. Good. Okay, circle backwards, start with the smaller and I start drawing the bigger circle. Good. And also don't feel afraid doing and looking after yourself. People sort of believe in other people or professional. You know, you're the expert, you're the own expert of your own body. Okay, so just look after yourself, not to be worried about if there is any pain, and not pushing or forcing too much there where it is pain. Good. Okay, so now I want you to sort of do this gliding, like just below your kneecap here. I hope you can see clearly here. Very softly. Good. Sort of oil makes a difference. Good. And now you're going on to the side of your patella here on your kneecap. And now you're going up onto the top here. Just breathing in, breathing out, feeling good. Good. Okay, so just like a little circle covering the whole kneecap there. Nice. Okay, so remember as we did the first week, so using a hand like a cup, and just doing a little bigger circle now, not little bigger circle now. And you can press a little harder here, you feel better. Now remember, you have to do this every night, okay? You have to do this every night. And don't expect others to do this for you. You do it on your own. You look after your... Okay, let's do other way around. Good. And now go down just below your knee there. Good. So I'm sort of pressing with my fingers this part of my knee there, and the same with this side. I'm using sort of that side of my leg there. Okay. So just keep going. Good. Just keep going, you keep going. Just another 2-3 minutes. Good. Okay, so start coming with your fingers that outside of your leg there. So I turned my leg outside there. So what I'm doing is I'm giving arms a bit lever there and pushing my leg down so that I can massage that outside of my leg, that ITV band. And that's what mostly gets tight, and your knees get tight and cracking. So just keep massaging. And now, as your legs are turning out here, let's just use the outside as well. Beautiful. Good. And then use the top. And use the back as we did with the leg, this part of a leg. Good. So now down, side, and top. Good. Side and down. Just all that thigh muscle top. Yeah. Do 3 or 4, 3 or 4, and 3 or 4 on the bottom, on the base, on the hamstring. Side and top. Beautiful. Good. Perfect. Okay. Now let's just go down, doing a circle like that. Down now. So what you're doing is, when you go down, that's when you're pushing, squeezing hard, so that you sort of push that blood flow down towards your knee. And squeeze it hard a little bit. And this time you go down and squeeze going upward, down, and squeeze going upward. And don't worry you're doing right or wrong, okay? So you're just looking after yourself, and there's nothing wrong, nothing right. Okay, so just go downward, side and upward. Let's rest. Very good. Good. Okay, so for this leg now, we need a knife. This is another exercise with the scraping. So double up your towel and just double up and just grab that sharp part of the knife with the towel. Need some more oil. Just put some more oil there. Beautiful. Okay, so what we're doing is just grabbing it and slowly massaging. Now, not putting too much of pressure. See how you feel. You'll know. Going up, going down, like as we sort of trying to again push that blood down towards the knee. Your blood flow, nutrition. But not forcing too much, just go easy. Good. Now I'm going to put my leg up there, and I'm sort of starting in the base as well. So I'm going to let go of that. But make sure, like, you can sort of grab with some piece of cloth so you don't hurt yourself. Good. Now also down here, going upward. And keep watching, keep doing, keep learning, okay? This technique called scraping. So we sort of scraping and massaging. Good. And I just sort of under the calf. It's like you're using a tool. Good. Now let's see, doing a little bit here on under the where we were doing that gliding therapy there. So just like going up like that. Feel like he's just sort of applying the butter, but not with this side, just this side. Just in that soft part there. Not too much onto the kneecap, but just onto that where the soft part is. And the same here now, that inside. Keep your hands soft. Promise you, if you do this week, a whole week, you know, you're going to feel really good. But do your exercise as well in the morning. Go for a walk, go and meet friends and family, and talk happy, like feel everything is good. Like just go all the way up now to the thigh and all the way down to the knee. Just that inside thigh now, like sort of using the whole, working on the whole leg. Like so, I'm going in, up, inside there. Good. From inside, up, and then outside leg. So now, go backwards as well. Learning by doing, okay? So not just watching and sitting and just you can, okay, so we're done with this. Good. Okay, do the massage again, just sort of up and down. Okay, so the next, bringing my leg up again. So the next one is doing a little slap, or we call a little, sort of little punching. Just onto the joint as well. Just to keeping it soft. Almost finished with the one leg. Good. Just onto the side. Up to the thigh, onto the side, and this little, you can be a little louder there. Okay, massage again, last time, down to the calf, to the shin, upward, good, to the knee, good, up to the kneecap, upward, to the side, down, out, top, and rest. Beautiful. So we're done with the one leg. Feels so good. Okay, now we're going to do with the other side. Sit here. Okay, let's start again. Hope you can see me. Yeah, let's just expose the other leg. Now remember, don't just work on to the leg, the leg have a pain. Okay, so work on other side as well. It is just to look after the whole body. Okay, all right. Let's just apply that oil everywhere. Good. Okay, let's start with the calf. Down from the ankle, upward. With the calves, always go upward. Good. Remember, we were sort of pressing there outside. Just use those fingers and thumbs to dig into it. Good. You're feeling a little bit of pain too. Breathing in and out deep, feeling happy, feeling good. Feeling like my arms are getting good work. That's a good thing, you know. Good. Keep going. Good. Okay, so going side and up to the shin. To the side, down, side, up. It's the best thing. I'll give you another little idea. It's the best thing doing at the night time, and then do the massage at night time. Then just have a shower and okay, so down, side, and up, and then have some turmeric tea. That's the best remedy for the pain. I do for myself. I just put half a teaspoon in a warm water, and then just blend the water, and then that just uses that and drink that water for myself. Okay, down, side, and top. Good. And so in that way you also having some water after your massage, and also the turmeric helps to get rid of all those pains, chronic pains and osteoarthritic pains. Good. Helps to recover the body. Okay, so down, you keep talking, and up. To the side and to the bottom. To the side and to the bottom. Good. Yes, just keep going. Up, side, down, side, up. Good. And say thank you to yourself, looking after, taking care. Good. Perfect. Good. Okay, we did the little circular movement here on the side. Just use that now. Start with the smaller and grow bigger and bigger. Good. Start back smaller, bigger and bigger. Down to the smaller, bigger and bigger. Down and big and big. Good. And backwards now. Just use those sort of tips of your fingers there. Beautiful. Just keep going. Good. Okay. All right, now just doing that little gliding technique. Self-massage for a week. And you do on your own, okay? Self-healing. You have the power. You have the power to self-heal. Good. Okay, doing the top there. And around that kneecap there. around the patella. So down and up, down and up. Keep going. Beautiful. Okay, so like using your hands like a cup and making a bigger circle around the knee joint, up and down. It's so calming. I'm feeling like I'm going to sleep, it's so calming, it's so good, it's so relaxing. Good, keep going. And breathe. Okay, so do it backwards there. And like up and down. And go down now. And keep the leg relaxed. Keep yourself relaxed. Good. Okay. Now, inside. Top of the leg. The side. You want to spend less time, you can spend less time. You want to spend more time, you can spend more time. Under. It's up to you, you know. But give yourself time. Body's just asking with the pain, getting attention. Hey, look at me, please. Take care. Good, okay. Let's do the circle hold. Please take care of me, Mama. You forget about me. So look after. Good. And some people feel guilty when they're doing something for themselves. It's just like they're committing a sin. So, not feeling that. Okay, so that outside, you sort of turning that leg. Oh, that's sore here. Good. Tight. Oh. Find that new tight spot there. Good. Keep going. Beautiful. Okay, so up. I'm going downward to the knee now. Side and down. Side up, down. Side up, on the side and down. You keep going. I'm enjoying so much. I'm not talking about the technique. I hope you know how I'm doing. I think I explained so much. Good. Okay. Let's butter that naughty child a little bit. Buttering, sweet talk. Good. Down. Does feel so good with this scraping. Keep going. Make sure when it sort of started hurting at one part, what you have to do, instead of keep going there, you just go up. So let that part relax, go to the side, and let the other muscle relax, and then go back again. Letting it relax, not sliding when it's so sore, but just like after 5 or 10, go to the other part, use the other side. Good one. Good. Okay. So using there as well on the side. And you might feel like, oh, this is a little bony part and this is where I'm sort of scraping and doing it. This is really good, releasing that tightness. So do it. Even like when you're doing personally, look, I'm grabbing like this, even like just going under in these areas where there's like a little groove there. I hope you're watching and doing it and enjoying my company. You keep going. Learning by doing, okay? And not just sitting watching, doing it. Good. So we sort of went onto the calf as well. But just do both legs, not just giving one attention to the one child, looking after the both. Looking after the both. Good one. And now just under the leg as well. Just keep the leg and keep the muscles relaxed there. Just finding where that tight muscle was and helping that. Beautiful. Inside. Woo! That feels, say, very nice, comforting, amazing. I am going to have a best sleep after this. Really, yes. Good. Okay, let go of this now. Good. Okay, I'll just keep it up. A little pat. Keep those hands relaxed. And when you're doing it, let's just see if you can feel that part of your leg. You can feel that part of your leg. Onto the side of the knees. Close your eyes and feel. Breathing. And connecting there. Up on the top. Onto the thigh, onto the side, and the back of your leg. Up, top, side, and the back. Good. Onto the knee on the side, and the back of your leg. Calf, up on the shin, onto the knee, and relax. Good. Okay, now, just a little, this is, in Indian language, in Indian massage, this is called a thapki. Thapki. Like you sort of playing a, playing a drum. Onto the side there. What you're doing is you're sort of increasing the healing doing this. You're sort of increasing the blood flow. Increasing the healing. Now try that turmeric. Turmeric. You can have a turmeric in a milk if warm milk. You can just drink in a warm water if you don't want to drink a milk. Okay, last time. Feeling good. Very good. Just give a last massage. Thank you, legs. Thank you for all the work, all that traveling, all that moving I did with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's just watch. Just cleaning up first. Or just straight go to the shower if you take a shower. Just wash all that oil. Good. Beautiful. Good work. Yep, nicely. Beautiful, perfect, good work. Thank you very much. Now, remember what we're doing? We're doing a week 4 exercise in the morning, just once whole week now. And we're massaging every night on our own. Okay? So, not expecting from others, not getting cranky, not feeling you have to do this. This is your own body you're looking after. Okay? And being happy, thanking, always feeling grateful, and being happy and being content. Thank you very much. Keep looking after yourself. Keep taking care of yourself. I know how it feels when you're in a pain. So it is very hard. But if you're looking after, if you're taking care, these things are going to get strong and going to take care of you. Thank you. Go and see your friend. Stay well. I'll see you next week. Thank you. Namaste.